Occupied Kashmir is the highest militarized zone in the world as over 1 million Indian troops are engaged in brutally suppressing the Kashmiri people's movement for right to self-determination. Brutal militarization has created a humanitarian crisis as the territory is under Indian military and police siege since New Delhi illegally landed its troops in Srinagar on 27 October 1947, said a report released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service today. It said the Hurriyat leadership has been kept in jails while the Indian forces have detained thousands of Kashmiris, mostly youth, under the black laws including the Public Safety Act and Unlawful Preventive Act they deplored. Incarcerated senior APHC leader and chairman of the Jammu Kashmir Democratic Freedom Party Shabir Ahmad Shah, while stressing that peace in South Asia and Middle East is related to the settlement of the Kashmir and Palestine issues. According to Kashmir Media Service, in his message from New Delhi's Tihar jail, APHC leader said that the bloodbath of the Palestinians was a great challenge to the world conscience. All parties Hurriyat Conference has expressed serious concern over the prevailing situation in occupied Kashmir, turning it a nuclear flashpoint in South Asia. According to Kashmir Media Service, APHC leadership in a statement issued in Srinagar feared that the unresolved Kashmir dispute could provide the spark to light South Asia's nuclear fuse. Kashmiri Pashtun community, also known as the Kashmiri Pathans, a tiny majority, is grappling with the sentiments of political alienation and social exclusion, and therefore condemning the discriminatory treatment by the successive Indian installed governments in occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, Germany's international broadcaster Deutsche Welle has recently published a detailed report on the Kashmiri Pashtun community. Senior APHC AJK leader Mohammad Farooq Rahmani has demanded a ban on the weapons supply to Israel and India under the current horrific situation of the Middle East and the South Asia. According to Kashmir Media Service, in a statement issued in Islamabad, he said the Zionist state is sole responsible for the 21st century's Holocaust in Gaza. Pasbane Hurriyat Jammu and Kashmir has said that India's military occupation of Jammu and Kashmir is the biggest obstacle to peace and development in the region. According to Kashmir Media Service, Pasbane Hurriyat chairman Uzair Ahmad Ghazali, in a statement issued in Muzaffarabad, said that India is trying to erase every identity related to Islamic civilization in the occupied territory.